It's not too late to turn your semester around. The Tutoring and Academic Assistance Center, or the TAAC, has some tips to finish your semester strong. The first thing to do is assess where you are in the semester. Do you need to improve your grades in any of your classes? Do you have assignments left to be submitted, or only a final exam? Use the course assignments and exam sheet and make a list of all the courses you currently have. If you'd like to print out a copy, there's a link in the YouTube description. Write down what needs to be done for each class and the due dates for all assignments and exams. You can use your syllabus as a guide. This will give you an idea of how much you have left to do this semester, and it's written all in one place. Cross off the assignments as you finish them. Next, use a calendar or planner to write down your assignment due dates and exam dates. The next thing to do if you're having trouble is talk to your professor. Do not wait until the last minute to ask for help. You can ask your instructor for advice on how you can improve. Talk study strategies, ask questions about the material, and state any concerns you have if you're having trouble following what's going on in class. You can also ask your instructor if there are any assignments you can do for extra credit, if you can hand in late assignments, or if it's possible to redo any assignments you did not do well on. Another thing to do is reassess your study habits. Think about how you've been studying up until this point and what has worked and what hasn't, and then ask yourself why. It could be something as simple as printing or writing out flashcards for concepts and definitions. And think about, are you distracted while you're studying? Try to silence your phone or put it in another room to reduce notifications, and commit to only study in your space. Try to stay off social media, games, and entertainment apps. Also, make sure you're utilizing your textbooks and you have all the supplies that you need for your course. Do you regularly miss class, assignments, or exams? From this point on, make sure to attend class and complete all of your assignments. Another thing to do is to make a study schedule. Create a daily study schedule and list your specific subjects and time commitments and try your best to stick to it. Evaluate your progress often. Think about the ways you're studying and that they are effective. And also reward yourself for your achievements and make sure to take study breaks. It's very important to also find a place to study that's free from distractions. Here's an example of a weekly schedule. You can go to the YouTube description and click on the Time Manager link if you'd like to print a copy. So the first thing you want to do is prioritize your tasks for the week. Create a schedule for the week and include your classes, study time, any priorities, or other commitments that you might have. Follow your schedule as closely as you can. This will help you be efficient with your time and to complete any tasks that you have for the week. Another thing to do is schedule an appointment at the Tutoring and Academic Assistance Center, or the TAAC, with a tutor, academic coach, or writing consultant. A tutor is going to help you with the particular content of a course and what you need to understand for class. An academic coach is going to help you with study skills, an action plan for your assignments, or test prep. And a writing consultant can help you with any stages of writing a paper. It's also been proven that working with a study partner or partners can be beneficial. Talking through concepts is going to help you increase your understanding and retention of the material, and some people learn better by helping others learn, while others learn best in small groups where they might feel more comfortable asking questions. And even if you aren't working on the same subject, sometimes just being around someone else makes you more accountable in your study habits. This time during the semester can be really stressful with exams coming up and papers and assignments due. So it's important to keep a positive mindset. Try to focus on the solution and not the problem. Have positive thoughts and don't dwell on the negative. Maybe picture yourself completing an assignment or getting a good grade. This will help motivate you to succeed. And the last thing is to seek out the help that you need. Whether you come to the TAAC or talk with your professor or make a study group. These are all things you can do to help you finish your semester strong.